The team from Blueshift have been working really hard on making the data more accessible on the Blueshift decentralized exchange so that you as a trader or someone that's just using the DEX to perform some swaps have a little bit more information to work with. Here they have the whole new analytics dashboard where you can see exact amount of data that is coming through, everything from the TVL to the 24-hour volume, as well as all of the portfolios that you could find across all of the ecosystems that Blueshift operates in. This includes everything on the Cardano ecosystem, the Algorand ecosystem, and soon to be the Kava and cross-chain ecosystems as well. And of course, you can see the price of everything clearly so that you can take advantage of the arbitrage opportunities that may appear for providing liquidity on the DEX. You can find out more information about the new analytics dashboard at info.blueshift.fi.